JVZoo tutorial. I thought I should share with you how you can start making money promoting products from JVZoo even as a total beginner. When you go to the site jvzoo.com, you can set up your free account. It's very easy, just follow the steps, so I'm not going to show that. But anyway, in comparison to promoting product from Warrior Plus, which often have 30-day money back guarantee, you have to wait 30 days to get your commissions, but in many cases at JVZoo you can get paid faster, but that also has to do with how many sales you have made promoting products at JVZoo, because sometimes vendors set your commissions to delayed if they approve your request to promote the products. I'm going to talk about how to get approved as well for products shortly. And should you have bought some products at JVZoo, you can click here, up here, this blue button, looking for your purchase, and you will find them there. Here you click on Marketplace to check out different products, and here are the section for affiliates. If you have taken another step to create your own products, you will go here to see statistics and so on. But let's click on affiliate, and here is the affiliate dashboard. As you can see here, you can see different statistics for different days. If you have any sales made, how many visitors, how many clicks, and here you go to check out the products you have gotten approved to promote, and you can also find products by clicking here and so on. So let's now go to find a product to promote, and here you have different products that you can request approval for. And the products, you can also change the filters, how you want this product to show up here. This is a product by Todd Gross, for instance. Face swap, let's say we want to request approval for that. Here you can find different information about this product. The sales price is $58, as you can see, and you will earn 50% from that, but it's a part of half of that. And let's say that you want to promote this offer but haven't made that many sales yet, or no sales, and you can introduce yourself and say that, hi, my name is this and that, I haven't made that many sales yet, but I continue to learn more and more about affiliate marketing, and I'm a student of this and that marketer. If you are a student of a marketer, top marketer or something, you can mention that. That may motivate them to approve you, and then you need to fill in how you're going to promote the offer. If you're going to do blog posts, if you have a list you're going to send out promotions to, if you're going to do video reviews and so on. And when you're ready to send a request, you just mark this box here so that they see that you have read and follow any instructions you need to follow as a affiliate for the promote this offer. And then you click this box to check that you're not a robot, and then you request approval. You will get notified by email if you're approved or not. And don't get discouraged if you're not approved. Request approval for several products so you can get started to promote as fast as possible. But now I'm gonna show you some products I'm already approved for, and what you can think about when it comes to offering bonuses, because like I said in earlier videos about launch jacking. It's a big benefit if you can offer some powerful, use very valuable bonuses to anyone that buys your offer, as it's a big level of competition online among marketers and affiliates. But let's now go to my approved products. So let's go to this product by Omar and Melinda Martin, HLS Workshop Product Creation. So when you approve, you just get link. One moment. Yeah, and here you have the affiliate link, and you just click there to copy it. Make sure that you shorten it. For instance, if you don't have any other cloaking service, shortening services fully linked, you can go to bit.ly or .com or tinyurl.com. So I'm going to show you something else. Just click on the product. So here you'll find different details about this product. It is $47 per sale, and I earn 50% commissions, and it's set to delay. It can be because of money back guarantees. You can't get paid until that money back guarantee period has passed. Or sometimes if you have made a lot of sales, they can set you to get paid immediately. But anyway, here's where you get the links, and here is integration. You can actually build your list by using GetResponse, SendLane, or Affiliate IPN, because if you have offered some free bonuses, then you can integrate your autoresponder, and they need to opt into your follow-up campaign to get the bonuses. So in the first email you send to them, here is your bonus, and so on. And you can set up an opt-in form where you fill in the form to get your free bonuses, and this way you can build your list to make more money in the future as well. And another way is to go to bonuses, and you enter the name you want to be calling your bonus, what you want to call your bonus pack for, and then you have a bonus URL. That bonus URL could be, like I mentioned before, an opt-in form to your autoresponder. They need to subscribe to your newsletter to get the bonus, but then you just paste the link in the first email to where they can grab your bonus. Or if you don't want to build your list, you can go to Google and Google Docs and create a new document, and there you put in the link to where they can get your bonus, and make sure that you change the setting for the sharing option, so it's not set to limited or private. Change it to that anyone with the link can access it, and then you copy the link from Google Docs and put it in here, and then you simply click add bonus. You can also choose to upload a file with your bonuses, and then you click on add bonus. I'm gonna put a shortcut, a thumbnail, or a so-called card to a video about launch jacking, so you will see learn more about how you can set up your bonuses and so on. If you're interested in a step-by-step training, newbie friendly, beginner friendly training that will teach you how to make money promoting products like these or any other affiliate products, then click the link below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.